Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the Xbox model and the exact error code so you target the right fix. Next, perform a power cycle. Unplug the power cable, wait 60 seconds, then press and hold the power button for 10 seconds to drain capacitors. This often clears transient firmware faults. Once done, make sure saved games are safe by syncing to the cloud or copying to USB, because some recovery steps can remove local data. You now check both network and software. Verify Xbox Live status and confirm router NAT type is open or moderate, because connectivity sometimes triggers services errors. Clear persistent storage and install any pending system updates. Then reinstall the app or game causing the error, since corrupted files often cause repeated crashes. If problems persist, run an offline system update using a USB, and make sure you finish by running the console diagnostics under settings Right Arrow System, Right Arrow Console Info to collect logs and test hardware components. This tells you if the problem is system level or account specific. If diagnostics indicate deeper trouble, contact Xbox support and provide the error code plus the diagnostic log so they can escalate accurately. If support can't reproduce it, try signing in with a different account or testing the game on another console to isolate the issue. This single tip often reveals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.